Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to create one sample application using Tkinter. So I'm going to import all the modules from Tkinter. Then we are going to create one main window using Tk, and that I have assigned to one variable called root. Now let's create one label. So label, and this we wanted to add to the main window, and here this label will be hello everyone. And after this we have to pack it so that it will get attached to the main window. Then finally this main window we are going to main.loop so that it will run here. Now here in this screen you can see we have one small window here with the label called hello everyone, this one. So let's cross it. If I will just replace or remove this pack and rerun this code, then you can see we don't get the label, it's without label. So in order to add this label we have to use this pack keyword. So once we pack it, let's rerun one more time, and here we can see the label. So thanks for watching.